Hello friends, this is Prateek. Today I am going to say something about the Geo network and how can you use the GeoNet in your PC and laptop. There have different way you can you can use from GeoNet to your computer laptop. Okay, so there are three methods you can see. Okay, you can see there are three methods. The first methods you can see at first using hotspot. If you are on a PC and has Wi-Fi support, then you can easily create a hotspot. Okay, at first you can do it from the Wi-Fi. Okay, so it is not a good way because maybe it is useful for your if you have any television connection, then it will help you, but otherwise it is not a good method. But I will tell you how to use it. Okay, using hotspot, if you own a PC, okay, I think you know the how to connect the hotspot and how to use it. Okay, so there are a certain way, and I think the method number two is very transparent. It is the best method. Everyone is use this method. You know the method is very good. The second method is the USB tethering. Okay, so how to tether? There have some way. You have to go your mobile settings, then you have to click on more, and there you have to find the tethering and portable hotspot. You have to turn it on. After that you can connect your computer with your mobile phone and it will be useful for you. Okay, and last but not the least, it is the third method, but it is colored in red because it is not a good way. So I think dongle method is a very not popular. It is isolated. It is maybe obsolete various times ago. So I think it is not a good way. So I think the method two is the best way. Okay, you have to use the method two. Thank you. Thanks for watching.